Good day everyone, Royalistas. I'm Han Arroyo of Team Club Royal. You know, Royal has just concluded a big event in Resort World Manila. Thousands of distributors and leaders of Royal has graced the event just to witness two major developments that will change the landscape of Royal in the years to come. First, the release of the amazing new products in addition to the existing product line of Royal. Second, the new and promising compensation that will skyrocket the earnings in Royal. You know, I think it is time to position ourselves for a bright new future. And I think it is time for us to dominate the market. So for those who missed the event, and for those who wanted to re-alive the event for themselves, then watch this replay.
To upgrade our services. So now, I will give to you Royal Online Shopping.
As Royal expands to new territories with its goal to royalize the world, we continue to look for ways to introduce and bring our quality products to people. After analyzing the needs of our distributors and careful planning of ways to boost our business, what we've been waiting for is finally here. Royalistas all over the world, we introduce to you Royal Online Store. Shopping for Royal product packages online will now be available in the UK and the Philippines, and soon in other countries. By visiting Royal Business Club's website and clicking the added online store tab, distributors and residents in the UK with valid credit cards can now choose from different product packages to buy, compare each package, and even view the best sellers. Royal shopping has never been this easy and convenient. After the order has been placed, credit cards will be validated with the help of iPay88, Southeast Asia's leading payment partner. And payment will be processed by BDO, one of the most trusted full-service universal banks in the Philippines. Within 3 to 7 business days, your purchased packages will be delivered right at your doorstep. That's care of DHL, a courier expert in international parcels. All packages are air freight, so speed is guaranteed. Royal Shopping. Simplified, hassle-free. Royal has escalated to the next level. Success of this endeavor will mean increase in sales for our distributors, mushrooming of new branches, and business for more people. To where service is needed, Royal will be there because we made a commitment to help others as much as we can. Whatever it takes, in any way possible. Royal Online Store, royalizing the world one click at a time. In this competitive industry, where the bold thrives and only the exceptional survives, Royal has emerged on top for almost 10 long years. By keeping its promise of delivering superior quality products, services, and opportunities, Royal became
You para ma-adapt dito sa online store. Siyempre, maraming nagtatanong sa amin, Sir, bago yung produkto natin. bago yung website natin. Siyempre, innovate yata natin ang compensation plan. Bigyan pa natin ng mas maraming benefits ang distributor. Siyempre, bago ko muna explain, I'll show you this video first. Pampa-teaser.
One of the most trusted companies in this industry, changing the lives of countless people from all over the world. To stay on top, the management remains committed in giving the Royalistas nothing but the best. To meet the challenges of the market's increasing global demands, Royale continues to innovate ways to drive superior results, taking things to the next level, ensuring that our visions materialize. Royalistas, brace yourselves as we bring you the ultimate compensation plan that will set the trend and raise the bar in this industry. The Royale Hybrid Compensation Plan. Royale is the first and only company in the Philippines to embrace this transformation, further advancing our lead. With Royale, you are guaranteed that outstanding work equals magnanimous rewards. Royale, the best just got better. In that outstanding work equals magnanimous rewards. Royale, the best just got better.
Ediville Royale! Parang hina yata. Iba yung compensation plan? Kailangan ko. Power ba tayo? Alright. So now, I will explain to you our new hybrid compensation plan. In the hybrid compensation plan, first slide, there are two ways to be a distributor. One, you can be a sub-distributor. You can pay 500 pesos or buy a product package. We have three types of accounts. We have the starter, the business, and an elite. Each composing of different PV. Starter packages. We will use the existing packages we have now. And syempre, yung mga distributors natin sa Saudi, kailangan nila ng all soaps, di ba? Eh, nakausap ko si Miss Marlene. Ang sabi niya, gagawa tayo ng packages na pure cosmetics. That's, and ngayon, an elite package. The elite package is we thought of a package na dapat ito yung entry level of an entrepreneur. Pagbili niya kasi 110,000 yan. So, ang kasama ng package yan is not puro paper bag or puro eco bag. We designed a box para pag nasa office ka, at bumili ka ng elite, partner, elite dala ko. elite. Elite package ako. Ha? Okay ba? Okay. So let's compare the old hyper plan compared to this hybrid plan. In the hyper plan, unilevel pa lang panalo ng hybrid plan. From 125,000 to 155,000. We increased the percentage. Multi-level. We increased the percentage from 35% to 50% rebate. Power ba? Of course, magpapahuli ba ang royalty leadership bonus? In-increase rin natin yan. From 3%, we made it to 5%. Do you want more? You want? But, okay. So now, the direct referral, if kita mo, yun ang makukuha mong direct referral. So na pag benta ka lang starter, you get 1,610. Pag nakabenta ka ng business, you get 4,830. And then in elite, sino gusto magbenta ng elite? And you okay, this plan has a fifth match bonus where you have 225 DRP. But wait, if the 225 points, Royale, you can claim it for Royale can give you marketing tools from cell phones, laptops, cars. Diba? Parang the pairing is 2,100. So if meron ka sa left ng business na 450, sa right 450, you get 6,300. And sa elite naman, you get 14,700. Now, per account, we made it to the point that iba-iba ang features ng bawat account. So that if you buy that account, you have a unique feature into it. Hindi lang basta multiple heads. Ito, iba. This is the hybrid compensation plan. Iba-ibang features na ito. For example, the starter. We made it 2 cycles, 7 matches per cycle. Meaning 14 pairs a day. At the business, we made it 8 matches per cycle. 16 pairs a day. At in elite, we made it 10 matches per cycle. But, sir, wait lang. Pag nag-include ako ng elite, automatic flash out ako niyan. Tama, mali? Hindi. Siyempre, pag nag-7, ang flush out natin is 8th match volume. Sa business naman, 9th match, and sa elite, 11. Okay ba? Good news pa more? All right. So let's see about the projected income. Ano ba yung pag ito yung account ko, what is my potential income for that account? For that starter, sa starter, you get 938,350 per month. Sa business, 1 million. At sa elite, 3 million. And that's only one account. Diba, iisang account, kailangan mo lang ng dalawa lang. May 3 million ka na. Pwede na maximum, di ba? Power o power na power? But wait, there's more. Because starting on January, all our existing distributors are converted to starter for free. Ganyan si Royal. And all your waitings, ibibigay namin lahat sa inyo yan. So kung may waiting kang 1 million points left, meron ka pa rin 1 meeting points left. Royal continues to upgrade itself. From the products to the services to its offices. Royal it's a multinational company. We cannot be compared that. Kasi ito na yung Royal eh. 10 years na tayo. And for more years to come. And with that, thank you all.
Thank you so much, Mr. Eric Castañeda. It is amazing how one man can orchestrate the success of many and impact their lives in ways unimaginable. 9 years ago, a man started a business that was destined to change the lives of many, not just in the Philippines, but around the world. He brings a perfect harmony of health, wealth, and success for everyone. Royal Business Club was created out of his brilliant mind and compassionate heart. He really wants to provide the Filipino people a business that they can be proud of to uplift their lives. It was a grand vision, but for the hundreds and thousands of people whose lives were dramatically changed for the better, it became a mission. Ladies and gentlemen, let us rise as we welcome his presence and thank him for his great mission in life. The conductor of Royal Symphony, our chairman and CEO, Mr. Ricardo S. Castañeda.
Salamat. Maraming salamat to my royal family. Happy grand launching day. We have products to launch. We have a new compensation plan. And I hope we are all very happy. My heartfelt thanks to our executive committee, to our management committee, and to all you Royalistas, most especially our suppliers who have been with us for the past almost 10 years. Maraming salamat po. We are now able to introduce reforms, innovations, to our product lines and compensation plan, the whole system, the whole Royal system. We are able, therefore, to further upgrade the Royal brand name. So, alam po nyo, napakasarap ng feeling ko being the chairman of Royal Business Club. I am very inspired as you are right now. Alam po nyo, ang sekreto natin from my point of view, for the past 5 months, kasi po nung 5 months ago, we had some pain. We doubted a little bit. We felt we can do it. But some of us thought of, baka hindi. Now today we have proven to ourselves that we can do it, right? With great minds, powerful minds, experienced minds, banded all together. Mahirap po yun. Always, we keep in mind that when we work together, we work on the framework of a very good corporate governance. Together, we will experience a very happy working environment. Yan po ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Tandaan po nyo, in your respective businesses, in your respective structures, a very happy working environment is very important. Yan po ang naging formula of success natin. A happy working environment where there exists a communication between us. Positive ideas are therefore brought forth, and together the support for one another will always exist. Gaya po yan ng human body. Medical science will tell us that for us to be healthy, there must exist that kind of an environment. A healthy environment will take out the bad cells in your body. A healthy environment will excite the new energetic cells in your body, thereby having a very healthy body. So, on that parallelism, I take it, ganyan po ang ginawa natin sa Royal Business Club. We improved the environment. We listened. We don't just talk. Our skill is in the talking, more importantly, in the listening. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng nag-contribute into making Royal turn around, making it healthier this time around. My dear Royalistas, I'd like to briefly update you as we expand our market horizons, as we have the best products, the best leaders that have the entrepreneurial skills. We will need a bankable and updated system and a very good brand image. Let's maintain Royal. It is the best, it is the number one, and let it be the best. We will continue to be aggressive, but we will put a little prudence on the aggressiveness. We will be mindful of every opportunity that will come across Royal Business Club. Dati po, hindi natin pinapansin yung mga proposals that will widen our market base. Now, hindi po natin palalagpasin ang bawat opportunity na yan. Ito pong mga sinasabi natin, we need all of you to support us. We cannot do this without all of you leaders of Royal Business Club. What we have witnessed today, for me, is an achievement. It is a feat. It is a milestone in our corporate history. We have proved to the rest of the world that we can do it. We can do it ourselves, right? Hindi na ba kayo nag-aalala na because of the change in leadership, baka mawala tayo sa direksyon? So, kagaya ng sabi natin, kayang-kaya natin to. Our project in Nigeria is going on as expected. We will be able to launch our Abuja office in January. Three to 4 months after, we have to set up our offices in, where is that? Lagos. Pero alam nyo, because of the suggestions of many, I would like to venture to be present in Malaysia simultaneously. Ang sabi sa akin, marami na daw po tayong distributors doon. I was briefed that we can make it there. We are welcome. Our type of business is welcome in Malaysia, so therefore, we are going there. Expect us to be present around the third quarter of next year. We will be there. Alam nyo, in our aggressiveness, we are studying 2 proposals for an exclusive distributorship arrangement in 2 countries. Hindi ko na po muna babanggitin. Baka hindi matuloy. But we are positive and our gut feel tells us matutuloy ito. Sabi ko nga po kanina, I am inspired and I feel that you all are. Meron po akong sorpresa sa inyo. Ang sabi sa akin ng Executive Committee, why don't we revive what we were talking about 5 months ago? We are now in a position to consider para ayoko po. Mali ang ano. Ito po. I am now considering, as proposed by our Executive Committee, to impart some shareholdings to our existing leaders, President Circle and above, a certain percentage of the company for us to enjoy what we have now. Hanggang doon lang po muna. The standards we have to set, the prices we have to determine, but in principle, we are sharing the blessings to our family, Royal Business Club. Alam nyo, 10 years, I have never witnessed a management team and an executive committee team, our Royalista leaders, never been so energetic and motivated. Kaya po, sabi ko, sige na nga, i-import na natin ng a certain percentage. Is 1% okay? It will be better. We will contemplate on this, study, and let you know as soon as possible on how are the standards to be set by our executive committee. So to put it simply, my royal family, this is it. There is no stopping us. Not even all the problems in the world. So let us enjoy. Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Thank you and good night. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Royalistas, keep the applause going. Thank you so much. Mr. Ricardo Castañeda, please, sir, can you remain on stage po, front and center? If I can kindly call on the Mancom and Exicom also, please join us front and center on stage. Mancom, Exicom, please join us on stage. Oh, one more time. Mancom and Exicom, please join us on stage. All right, give them a round of applause as they make their way to the stage. Royalistas, they've been giving you great news all night long. Thank you so much. All right, as they assemble here on stage, front and center, Royalistas indeed have an exceptional orchestra master. Despite all the different instruments Royalistas play, he can still orchestrate them to play in harmony towards success. For that, congratulations, Royalistas. It's a pleasure and honor to be here. And on behalf of Lana, we truly say that, we can say that you guys are the best audience
for
we've
sure.
ever
I
experienced.
love your energy.
We love you guys.
You guys are so proud of your products. It's amazing.
Yes, I'm Wilson Fernandez.
And I am Lana Roy. And before we end the night, with all might, let's sing Royale's jingle with a string fusion. This is Royale Symphony!
Hindi po masamang managinip.
Sa iyong tiwala, lumaki ang isang pangarap at naging bahagi ka ng ating tagumpay. Sipag at tiyaga at ang determinasyon, kaya ang distribution ay worldwide na ngayon. Palaki ng palaki, parami ng parami, pataas ng pataas, palakas ng palakas. Wastong pundasyon, isa si Chairman, ang sistema at mga distributor. Lahat posible pag laging sama-sama, di ka na mangangamba dahil royal ka na. Bawat Pilipino na natutulungan nyo, kaagapay ang royal sa kanilang pag-asenso. Ang Royal Business Club ay isa ng institusyon, pinatibay at sinubok na ito ng panahon. Ang Royal Business Club ay merong wastong pundasyon, isa si Chairman, ang sistema at mga distributors. Siyang nagtakon mula noon